Hi, let's try a brassy eye together. Okay, first we're going to take the color Gullible. So Gullible is going to be our transition color, so it's going to go all over the top of the lid into the corner, and we're going to just blend it out with this fluffy brush. You're going to do it on both eyes. What I love about this fluffy brush, it's just super easy to blend. I just find it very easy to work with. Okay, so the next color is going to be Gingerly. It's a burnt orange color. It's also matte. So we're going to be doing that windshield wiper motion in the crease and in the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to be doing that on both sides, and once you've got it even, you're ready for your next step. Just be sure you're not throwing it into the inner corner of your eye because we're going to be using a lighter shade there. So now I've changed my brush. I'm going to be using the color Antsy. This is a shimmery champagne-y color, and I'm just going to be doing it in the middle of the eye, almost like a halo on both sides. I chose to use a different brush because I'm actually going to wet this brush, so you can use setting spray or you can use water. The whole idea is just we're going to be putting it back into the Antsy just to get a little bit more vibrancy out the color. Now that we have a pop of highlight in the middle of our lid, we're going to move on to the inner corner of the eye. So I can't find a brush, so my finger is going to have to do. So I'll grab a little bit of Optimistic, which is a really almost white highlighter, and we're just going to dab it on the inner corner of both eyes. And then just grab your fluffy brush one more time and just blend it all together to make sure that it's seamless. Next is just bringing some color down the lower eye. So I've chosen Gingerly, and I'm just putting a little bit underneath my lower lash line. If you're not comfortable with having color underneath your eyes, that's fine. You can just skip this step. Now I just want to clean it up. Because I don't use tape to make a nice straight line at the edge, I just grab my concealer and I wet my sponge, and I just make my straight edge with a little bit of concealer, just dabbing it into with a highlight at the same time. Then I'm just grab my foundation brush quick just to even everything out. Next step is Epic Mascara. Epic Mascara is a one step, so it's lengthening and curling at the same time, and you can choose to do one coat or two. In this video, just for time purposes, I'm doing one coat. Usually I like to do 2 coats of Epic Mascara though, just for the maximum length. If you get some mascara on your eyeshadow, don't worry, just let it dry and you can actually just pick it off quick with a clean spoolie. Next is lips. So this is going to be Splash Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the color Stellar. So it's a beige nude. I like to set my lipstick with a little bit of eyeshadow just so I can change the color a little bit, but at the same time it ensures that my lipstick isn't going to be going anywhere. So I'm going to take that color Antsy one more time with a bit of the champagne shimmer, and I'm just going to tap it on top of my lipstick just to set it and then add a little bit of sparkle at the same time. And that's it. That's how you achieve a brassy eye. Thank you for watching.